Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner of the video at the end. And also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So we did have a really nice 78% fib bounce yesterday on the US dollar CAD. Now, for me, in order to really confirm that this right here really is the end of a crescent, end of a wave B, we need to see a break of structure. It has not been able to break structure yet. Oftentimes, if price doesn't make an impulsive move up and break structure after a structure, or after a Fibonacci bounce, I'm sorry, then that sometimes is a clue that it might keep going down. So if it doesn't go up and if it doesn't break structure, there is definitely a chance it does continue to drift down. Going up to the daily time frame, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is a wave B. We definitely got a nice 78% fib bounce, so I'm still looking for another impulsive move up for a wave C, for possibly a wave 1 and a wave 2. So anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, if this really is the end of a correction already, it needs to make impulsive movements up and it needs to break and hold above structure. So I would recommend looking for longs, but I would also be a little bit on the cautious side until we get the break of structure. After we get a break of structure, then you can, with more confidence, be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. Be very careful. The trend is technically down and it could always keep going down. So be very, very careful with your longs, at least until we get a nice break and hold above structure. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.